Originally, when the footer building opened, it was a dye works, which actually dyed clothes and cleaned clothes for supposedly the Queen of England and people all over the world. And then after that, I believe it was turned over to a mining company. And I believe the unemployment office was even on the second floor for a while. I'm Bruce Firlie, one of the managing partners of the Footer Dye Works project. It's going to be about 40,000 square feet of residential and about 7,000 feet of restaurant and brew pub on the first floor. There'll be 22 luxury loft apartments spread out amongst the second to fourth floor. Fourth floor will have the higher end units with lofts above with these beautiful skylights. The restabilization work we had to do on the interior was critical to bring the building up to modern codes. We had to jack up the main trusses in the building, repair the ends that had been rotted or weather damaged. The roof work, what it consists of is tiles that was manufactured by a company called Ludovici. The tiles have to be removed, cleaned, inspected, reinstalled, or replaced. We've been ordering tiles from companies that repurpose the tiles, so they're from the same era of time, so they match with the weathering and that type of thing. A lot of people have been asking about the brick work on the outside. At the turn of the century, they used a lime-based mortar, with most of the lime coming from France. So what we had to do was take samples of the mortar from around the building, send them out to be analyzed, and then have a company duplicate what was originally here. The addition of the building is going to be approximately 40 by 138 feet long. We're going to try to replicate the original sawtooth design that was here at the turn of the century, and we're going to use the original bricks that were taken off the part that was demoed. I'd like to take a few moments to thank all the people who've been involved. The city of Cumberland's been fantastic. The mayor has been more than accommodating and helping us along and helping us through the loopholes of the government bureaucracies. The county commissioners have been there through the whole thing. The delegation to Western Maryland has been more than helpful downstate with some of the red tape there. We're going to try to keep all the work local, all the purchasing local. We just want this thing to come to fruition and be something that the community can be proud of and be a nice hub for people and families to meet. And we just want to thank all those that's been encouraging us and been there to help us out when we have questions.